There you kind of see the size of the pants with the little legs. Trying to decide how I want to do this. I want it to come out in sort of a real pretty rainbowish color because that's the colors I've got to work with. We'll see. So I'm using tweezers to make a really nice spiral on one side. And then on the other side, I think I'm going to do sort of an accordion fold, not sure yet. And then bring the two together and see how it comes out. I've not done these pants before. I've done the same style of pants in the black reverse dye. But this is the first time I've gotten a pair of white to try. So gonna try some fun things. This pair will be kind of funky and fun. So there you go. With this leg, what I did was here I did sort of a spiral. And I pulled the pleats all around the ends of the spiral. And then on this end of it, it's just sort of bunched together with the remaining material. I'm gonna tie that off with rubber bands. So what I did was I sort of did a pleating, sort of a semicircle up. I didn't go straight across. I went sort of around and up so that it pulls up so they can make all these nice pleats come out here in the fabric and all these pleats here. So when I dye, it'll be a little more fun. Yes. I pleated that bottom part of the leg and pulled it up here. So it's well pleated, and then you've got this nice little gather here that's going to take different color. Probably going to pull this around in a circle. We'll see in a minute, but I want to do some pleating and pulling there. So I decided to pull the top in, sort of use that same pulling in, leveling across method there. Tied just about everything up. Now I'm going to tie it all around the original spiral. Really got it tied up nice. I'm going to take it now. I have a bin that I set up to do my ice dyeing in, and I'm going to use that because I don't want to get the dye everywhere, and I ultimately only want the dye where I want it on each side. And I'm going to dye each side separately. I have 6 colors, so we'll see what happens. I'm going to try to find the patterns to use. I may just do lines around the rubber band. Just sort of excited to see how this comes out as my first attempt here. And I am using Rits Liquid Dye. So there you go. This is with just sort of a red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple pattern in 3 different areas. I sort of just went in lines all the way around. I think I'm going to go in and fill some of the white spaces you see, and this is only one side, so on this one side I'm going to fill in the white spaces. On this side, probably with the green. I have flipped it over, and I'm going to start dyeing the back side. What I'm finding is that when you dye the back side separately, instead of just letting the colors flow all the way through, you know, for however long it takes them to go from one end to the other, when you dye the back side as well, it brings a whole lot more depth to it. The colors seem bolder, and I really like the effect. So now I'm going to dye the back side. What I did was I started in the center-ish, and I did the red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple out that way, and did the purple, blue in reverse out this way. On this side, I may do just the purple to fill in, because I did the green on the other side. I may do, well, we'll see. I'll let you know. So now that it's done, I'm going to put it in a bag and set it out in the sun. I'm going to see how the weather goes. May leave it out overnight.
This is the final of the Harem Pants project. I love the way it came out. I love the patterns that I got from it, and I think a lot of that was by doing all that folding and everything. I'm finding out that it really makes a big difference how you fold and twist and everything else, and then obviously the way you put the dye on. I'm not sure I could replicate it, but it came out really awesome, and I just love these pants. So I hope this encourages you to try using your regular dye and doing some tie-dye projects.